Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where your IT administrator has limited access error appears on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. The solution. See, here's the thing. If your system is managed by a server, your IT administrator has 100% access. So why would you encounter this error? You would encounter this error if you disconnected from the home or school account. Now, if you did it unintentionally and you're still a part of the home and school account, you'll have to contact the IT administrator to fix it. But if you have actually left the school or organization, then you will have to reset the computer. So right click on the start button, select settings, go to the system tab, scroll down and select recovery, select reset PC, select remove everything, select cloud download, and then click on next to initiate the recovery process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.